I am pressure cooking a roast, a cherry, sage, garlic, and onion roast. Okay.
Hi, Ellie. What are you making?
I'm making this cherry sage roast beef. Some garlic and onions and cherries, some fresh sage that we grew. There's a bay leaf in there, some salt and pepper. So really simple, but a bunch of cherries. It's kind of coming to the end of cherry season. Cherries and roast beef, so good. Can you smell it? I wish there was smell-o-vision.
Yeah, I can smell the garlic.
Yeah, lots of garlic. I'm trying to decide if I want to pressure cook it or slow cook it.
What?
Yeah.
Slow cooking?
Yeah.
What are you talking about slow cooking?
Because you can slow cook in the summertime in your Instant Pot and you don't heat up the house like an asshole.
Yeah, but you can pressure cook it though.
And it's faster.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see the marbling on that roast? It's like got a nice fat cap on, so I put the fat on top so that then as it cooks it sort of drips into the meat so that the beef doesn't get dry. So it would be a good candidate for slow cooking on that premise.
Man, we should really clean our Instant Pot. Look at that. This is not like video worthy at all.
It needs a little love.
Wow.
It's well used.
It's embarrassing.
Should I clean it and redo the video?
No way.
Okay.
This is real life.
This is real life. This is real life. We use our Instant Pot every day.
Cool.
Decisions.
It's pretty
It is pretty.
and easy.
I'm excited to eat it.
So we're gonna have this for lunch.
We're gonna have this for lunch, yeah. Because we're working.
I mean, there's a lot there. We'll probably have it more than just for lunch.
Yeah.
Since it's just two of us and we're not crazy.
But we are working on having our largest meal of the day at lunchtime instead of dinner time.
So, how long did you put that in for?
I'm going to pressure cook it for 35 minutes. Cancel. Pressure cook.
There you go. You've used this before, I see.
Yeah. I have. But I've been using the smart Wi-Fi, which is not touchscreen.
Yeah.
Probably 40 minutes pressure cook. It doesn't need to be kept warm, and we're gonna let it slow release.
Yeah,
So we're good to go. We'll reduce that cherry, sage, and can you hear the crow yelling at me?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. It's lunchtime.
So you said this was for
Pressure
40
cooked
minutes, right?
for 40 minutes. Natural pressure release. It looks like it is done, so I'm going to take out this bay leaf. So we don't need that anymore. And put that on a plate, and then I'm going to reduce the cherry and the drippings from the beef into gravy, which we can pour over the roast.
Oh, I can't even wait. I'm just gonna. I mean, that one fell off. Yeah. Oh, there's like strings in here. Eh? Look at that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably good for lunch, right? Probably could have used a little less time, but it's still really tender since it was in the AP. my opinion.